Good morning. It's a nice sunny day. I just got a thing to hold the camera, so I am testing it right now. So I'll see how it goes, and I'm gonna go to the bay. I'm gonna go to the beach, and I'm gonna see how it is. So let's go. Well, not a bad scene, ain't it? Is it? It's beautiful. Look at all these people that live out there. They have a chance to see this view every single day. How beautiful is that? Got a bunch of people out here doing some family stuff. It's great to see. Little dog is chasing the birds. So word of advice, people, never ever hike in shoes like these. Come on man, I'm just doing it wrong. But anyways, this wasn't planned. I just wanted to come to the beach and take some pictures, but I feel like doing this because weather is getting better now. So I don't know if you can see it out in the far distance. The cloud is moving towards us, and there's a little bit of clear sky further out in the sea. So it's gonna get clear pretty soon. But man, what a beautiful place. Let's take a look. It would be nice to have a home right there. What a lucky bunch of people. Privileged bunch of people. They should be thankful. Alrighty, let's get moving. An amazing place. Yeah, just beautiful place. Beautiful scenery around. Not much of sun. So, and I didn't bring water with me. So shit. Don't put wrong shoes on. Don't forget your water. I did both of those right now, but I think I'm not gonna go all the way 2-3 miles without any sort of water with me. I've already walked about half a mile from down there, if you can see it. So I'm gonna get back down pretty soon. I'm just gonna go a little bit more up, see if there's any more beautiful view of the ocean. Maybe spend 10, 15, 20 minutes there, 30 minutes, sit down, relax, and then we'll head back down. I'm back to where I started, just heading back to the parking lot, and we're gonna be done. What does this say? Closed. We walk the first stewards. Okay, 10,000 years. We walk have lived along the coast. 600 small family communities. Freshwater, saltwater meat, including Muir Reach floodplain. Pause the video and you can read this. And we are heading back. And I'm gonna get to that bridge that I really like here. Or shit. Looks like cow shit. I don't know. I really like the way it's constructed. There's a creek that goes right underneath the bridge. I don't know if you can see that. So this is the fresh water that's going out that way, meeting the ocean. All the way early. And this is way back to the parking lot. We are done.